Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week, our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Eat the Pizza by Chemical Pin. In Chemical Pin's code, we see forever if blocks and change by blocks. Try to eat the following pizzas. Our next project is Cupcake Maker by Jenniferwz. In their code, we see set label to and a forever block. Make your very own cupcake. This project is called Dark Labyrinth. In their code, we see if key up arrow is pressed and move blocks. Use the map to guide you through the maze towards your goal. Our last project is Flower. They use the turtle library in Python to create this project. Choose the colors for your very own flower. Thank you for watching and sign into Tynker.com for free to create your very own projects.